Well, good morning. I'm Digendra Rana. Topic of the day is road safety in India. Road safety in India. India currently ranks among the top nations globally for road accident fatalities. Over 4.8 lakh road accidents occurred in 2023, resulting in over 1.72 lakh fatalities. For this reason, encouraging adherence to traffic laws and promoting safe driving habits is essential, and this is where the insurance industry plays a pivotal role in fostering road safety. Let us examine how car and bike insurance can encourage responsible driving. Car and bike insurance can help in encouraging responsible driving with these tips. First of all, financial safety. A vehicle insurance plan protects drivers from the financial risk of accidents, theft, and damages. So, this lets drivers focus on safe driving without constant worry. It will also save them from potential financial ruin in case of an incident. Knowing that their assets are safeguarded often results in more cautious and responsible behavior behind the wheel. Then, compliance with legal requirements. Insurance policy helps ensure compliance with legal requirements for vehicle uses. Third party liability insurance is mandatory in India. So this type of insurance covers legal liabilities arising from the injuries or property damage caused to others. So by ensuring compliance with these legal requirements, insurance protects both drivers and pedestrians from potential liabilities, fostering a safer driving environment. Third, education and awareness. Insurance companies often engage in educational initiatives aimed at promoting road safety. Many insurers host events that educate drivers about safe driving practices, the importance of vehicle maintenance, and understanding their insurance policies. Insurers frequently provide educational resources to help drivers understand the risks associated with different driving behaviors and how to avoid them. Then, peace of mind. Having comprehensive vehicle insurance provides peace of mind for drivers. The sense of security encourages them to be more responsible on the road. The assurance of financial protection discourages risky behaviors such as speeding and distracted driving. This sense of security not only benefits individual drivers but also contributes to overall road safety. The next one is emergency support services. So, insurance policies include roadside assistance or emergency services. It can help drivers feel more secure while on the road. It also encourages them to drive responsibly, knowing help is readily available if needed. And reduction of uninsured drivers. By making insurance accessible and affordable, more drivers are likely to purchase policies, which reduces the number of uninsured drivers on road. A greater number of insured drivers ensures financial accountability in case of accidents, contributing to overall road safety. The next one is promoting vehicle safety features. Many insurance companies provide incentives for vehicles equipped with advanced safety features such as anti-lock brakes, airbags, etc. So this encourages consumers to choose safer vehicles, ultimately leading to fewer accidents and injuries on the roads. And data-driven insights. Insurance companies utilize data analytics to identify high-risk areas and driving behaviors. This information can be used to tailor insurance products and promote safer driving practices among customers. If the data indicates a low risk of theft, accident, and rash driving, it can lead to a lower premium. An incentive for safe driving. Drivers who demonstrate safe driving habits can benefit from lower premiums over time. For example, it can lead to a lower car insurance renewal price. This financial incentive encourages ongoing responsible behavior, as maintaining a clean driving record directly correlates with cost savings. And behavioral feedback mechanism. Many modern insurance policies utilize telematics to monitor driving behavior. These devices provides real-time feedback on driving habits such as speed and braking patterns, helping drivers identify areas for improvement and encouraging safer driving practices. An encouragement of vehicle maintenance. Car insurance often requires regular vehicle maintenance to keep coverage valid. This encourages drivers to maintain their vehicles in good condition. It not only enhances safety but also lowers the chances of accidents caused by mechanical failures. Then encouraging helmets among bikers. Insurance policies for motorcycles emphasizes the importance of wearing helmets and protective gear. Insurers may change lower premiums for riders who follow safety regulations. Moreover, these companies reward responsible behavior. Thus, if someone wants to buy bike insurance online, they will feel encouraged to wear helmets. It will make the insurance companies look favorably at an applicant, thus leading to a possible lower premium. And next one is emphasizing success stories. Insurance companies can inspire others by showcasing success stories from policyholders. It creates an environment where responsible actions are recognized and celebrated. Such initiatives can motivate others to practice safe driving as well. So overall, financial security provided by car and bike insurance protects the individuals from economic hardship while promoting responsible driving through incentives and educational initiatives. And this comprehensive approach significantly enhances road safety and encourages a culture of accountability and caution among vehicle owners. In this Sadak Suraksha Abhiyan, a national televised movement on the road safety enters its third year in 2025, focusing the theme Parwa Karenge, Surakshit Rahenge. So this year children and youth take center stage as the key enablers and beneficiaries of road safety through music and art, including a special concert in Mumbai named Suraksha Reloaded, featuring Shankar Mahadevan and the Shillong Choir. SSA 2025 aims to create an engaging platform for the youth to connect and understand the importance of the road safety. The Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways have attended the concert, reaffirming the government's dedication and commitment to making Indian roads safe. Building on the success of previous years, the Sadak Suraksha Abhiyan initiatives empowers individuals to take the onus of protecting lives, supported by 4 pillars: Parva, that is care; Pahal, that is initiatives; Prayas, that is effort; and Parvartan, that is change. So these 4 pillars are very important: care, initiatives, efforts, and change. Parva, Pahal, Prayas, and Parvartan. In National Road Safety Week 2025 is organized by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, hosted annually from January 11 to January 17 to promote road safety measures. This dedicated week provides an opportunity to educate people about the joint responsibility of maintaining road safety throughout their country. So according to report, around 1.5 lakh people die due to road accidents every year, which could be reduced if road safety measures are implemented. As we celebrate this week, take a look at this year's theme, its history, significance, quotes, and 10 road safety rules and tips of the safe driving. Each National Road Safety Week has a special theme that addresses significant issues and challenges and encouraging safer road practices. This year's theme is Be a Road Safety Hero, which emphasizes the importance of collective action and establishing a safe environment for all road users. The National Road Safety Week was first organized in 1989 by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways to raise awareness about safe driving and road discipline. This week was introduced in response to the growing number of road accidents which were a leading cause of death and injuries in India. According to a report by PIB in 2022, around 1.68 lakh people died due to road accidents, out of which 1.19 lakh died because of the overspeeding and 4,201 due to drink driving. Therefore, the National Road Safety Week is a crucial step to tell people about how to avoid such road accidents and the unfortunate consequences of not following road safety measures. So the quotes used in National Road Safety Week are: the speedway ends at the cemetery. The speedway ends at the cemetery. Obey traffic police, follow traffic rules to avoid accidents. Safety brings first aid to the uninjured. Safety brings first aid to the uninjured. Faster is fatal, slower is safe. Safety is 30% common sense, 80% compliance, and the rest is good luck. So there are 10 road safety rules and tips for safe driving. 1. Wear a seatbelt. The first and most important thing anyone must do is to wear a seatbelt for safety. And even if you are in the rear seat, that is behind seat, seatbelts can save your life and reduce the risk of an injury. Second, follow traffic signals. Don't jump traffic signals while driving, regardless of how much of a hurry you are in. Jumping a signal is not just an offense, but could also lead to unnecessary risk. Third is stay focused. You need to stay focused while driving and keep your eyes on the road. Avoid using your smartphone, tablet, or other electronic devices. Distracted driving is a leading cause of both minor and serious accidents. Then don't overspeed. The major reason behind road accident is overspeeding. Therefore, do not exceed the speed limit, as you might put your and other people's lives in danger too. And be defensive. Always be aware of the other drivers as well, and be prepared if they will do something unexpected. It is advised to at least keep a 3-second cushion between you and the car in front of you. And take frequent breaks. Driving is a tiring task. It is recommended to take frequent breaks during your journey. It helps in combat fatigue, improves alertness, and significantly reduces the risk of accidents, especially on long journey. Be patient. This one is one of the most sensible safety tips that you must follow while driving. Most road accidents happen by impatient drivers rush to reach their destination. But this could lead to a major accident too. Don't drive in a bad mood. Negative emotions can adversely affect your concentration, which can lead to overspeeding. overtaking or not paying attention to over vehicles. Avoid driving if you have negative thoughts running behind your mind. And cross roads safely. Use zebra crossing on the road and carefully look for the moving vehicles from both sides. And the last one is be careful driving bad weather. Be extra careful while driving in bad weather conditions, especially in hilly areas. Follow these precautions for a safe journey. The National Road Safety Program was organized at different places, and they have shared the views, guidelines, and these experiences just for the sake of road safety. Be safe on the road. Thank you very much.